Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22, and I'll show you the normal face unlock with the faster face recognition test. So I'll do this with the help of this stopwatch, and now I'll make a first 5 tries to unlock the device with the normal face unlock, and then I'll just make a second 5 tries with the faster recognition, and we'll see the difference between these times. And I'll now just show you that the faster recognition feature is turned off. So here we got the faster recognition switcher, and I just turn it off, and let's try. So I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so let's start. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So stop. 6 and 6. 6 milliseconds here, so don't forget this just value. So now I'll just enable the faster recognition feature here. Okay, let's start. Just check. Okay, 6 and 6. Yeah, reset. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. Okay, I just turned it off a little bit later, so 5 and 5. And the normal face unlock, that was 6 and 6, so that's just 1 and 1 second of difference here, and I can say you that's really good result, because always the normal face unlock is near than 7 seconds, 7, maybe 8, 7, 5, 7 and a half, and the faster recognition is near than 6 and a half seconds. So the just unlock test on our Samsung Galaxy 22, just you can see that here the normal face unlock and the faster face recognition works fast and faster than in just a couple of different Galaxy devices. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.